In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the LinkedIn profile link of anyone. Whether you're trying to share someone's profile with a colleague, save it for networking, or you simply want an easy way to send the link to someone, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top to find the person whose profile link you want. You can type their name, their job title, or even the company they work for. LinkedIn's search is pretty smart, so it usually finds people quickly. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the person's name to open their full profile. This will take you to their main profile page where you can see their photo, headline, experience, and all their details. Now all you need to do is look at the very top of your browser right there in the address bar. You'll see the full URL to their profile. This is their unique LinkedIn profile link. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're viewing the correct person's profile before copying the link, especially if they have a common name. Also ensure that you're copying the link from the full profile page, not from the search results. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent mistakes when sharing the link with others. Once you've located the link in the browser bar, simply select it, right-click, and choose Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After that, you can paste it anywhere you like: a message, an email, a document, or even inside another social platform. The person who receives it will be able to open that exact LinkedIn profile instantly. It's also a good idea to double-check the link by pasting it into a new tab just to make sure it loads correctly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your communication professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to get any LinkedIn profile link easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?